Hello students, this is the topic data handling for class 7th. We are doing the exercise 3.3 in question number 4. The performance of a student in first term and second term. किसी भी स्टूडेंट की परफॉर्मेंस गिवन है फर्स्ट टर्म में भी और सेकेंड टर्म में भी. द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट इन फर्स्ट टर्म एंड सेकेंड टर्म इज गिवन. ड्रॉ a double bar graph choosing appropriate scale. Means पहले अपने सिंगल वाला बार ग्राफ बना के देख लिया in the question number 3. This is the question number 4. In this question we need to make a double bar graph. Means जिसमें दोनों टर्म्स की परफॉर्मेंस उसकी पता लगेगी. So here are the terms 70 out of 100. So we will take 10 gaps here. We'll start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. These are the marks. And here will be the subjects. Okay. Firstly, marks assign. You have a graph paper, so there are already lines are. So, in the first term and the second term. First term in English marks will be 67. 67. But there are 10 lines between this and this box. This is one box and here are 10 lines, 10 small lines on the graph paper. We want to go at 67. So firstly go at 60, after that 7 lines above from 60, because here we are using 10 gaps, so only 1 unit 1 line. Okay, we want to go at 67. This is the 67 and in first term. And in second term it is 70. So means 3 lines above in second term. When we want to make double bar graph, both the bars will come together. After that, in the next subject, we will leave one blank box. Here we are at 70. So how will we come to know that this is for first term, this is for second term? So we will make a difference in these bars. You can make different color bars. Means here आप यहाँ पे yellow color कर दो, यहाँ पे कोई और color कर दो. You can make different patterns also, like here I am making these lines. Here you can make any other pattern. And you will write on the graph paper 2 boxes will be made. One having these lines and another having this pattern, and you will write here this representing first term and this representing second term. If you are using different colors, so mention the colors in these boxes. Next is, here it is English subject, so write here English. Next, 72. 2 lines above from the 70. It is 72. And next is 65. 5 lines above from the 60. So 8 lines here. Same pattern you have to make again. This is for Hindi. And now leave one blank box. And next is 88. 8 lines above from 80. Next is 95. 5 lines above from 90. Next is 81. Next 85. Next 73. I am erasing this because I need a space. And 75. This is for social science. On the graph paper, you will write this. This is for first term. This is for second term. And also you will write that 1 unit is equals to 10 marks. Because we are using 10 caps here. Okay, this is the double bar graph. Okay, now we want to give answers to some questions. First question is, in which subject has the child improved his performance the most? मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट उसकी किस सब्जेक्ट में हुई है? तो हम उसके फर्स्ट और सेकेंड टर्म वालों का कंपैरिजन कर लेंगे. सबसे ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट किस में हुई है? इसमें फर्स्ट टर्म में 67 थे, उसके बाद इसके 70 हो गए, मीन्स 3 मार्क्स इम्प्रूव हुए. इसमें 72 थे, इसमें 65 हो गए, मतलब नो इम्प्रूवमेंट, हिज परफॉर्मेंस हैज गॉन डाउन. नेक्स्ट 88 to 95, so gap will be of 7 marks, means यहाँ पे 3 marks improve हुए, यहाँ पे 7 हुए. 81 to 85 means यहाँ 4, यहाँ कितने हुए 2 marks. मतलब मोस्ट इम्प्रूवमेंट किस में हुई है? मोस्ट इम्प्रूवमेंट उसकी किस सब्जेक्ट में हुई है? मैथ्स. तो first answer will be maths. In maths has a child improved his performance the most. And second question, in which subject is the improvement is least? सबसे कम improvement किस में हुई है? इसमें 3 marks, इसमें 7, इसमें 4, इसमें 2. तो सबसे कम किस में हुई है? social science में. So third part is, has the performance gone down in any subject? Yes. किसी सब्जेक्ट में उसकी मतलब उसके मार्क्स कम हुए? यस. किस में कम हुए हैं? उसके हिंदी में. इन हिंदी हिज परफॉर्मेंस हैज गॉन down.